Acquisitions news. VERTESS enables Choice's Southwest expansion with acquisition of Instant Care. Microbot Medical strengthens Liberty Robotic System portfolio with acquisition of novel, FDA-cleared devices. Notion Health acquires Amplus and announces goal of developing the most broadly used onshore RCM low balance recovery offering. United States B2C e-commerce market report 2022. A $2,323.9 billion market by 2026. Marketplaces are entering into mergers and acquisition deals. EIG unit to buy Tokyo Gas's stakes in Australian LNG projects for $2.15 BLN. Rakuten to sell 20% stake in online brokerage unit to Mizuho. Bullish news. First patient treated in Clarity's therapeutic prostate cancer trial. 4 Malaysian telco firms agree to take stakes in government 5G agency. VTech expands baby line with introduction of 7-in-1 sensors and stages developmental gym. Walmart celebrates classic fashion's commitment to U.S. manufacturing, American jobs. Indian River County Solid Waste Disposal District partners with Heartland Water Technology for long-term on-site leachate management services. Unified communications market is projected to reach $327.39 billion United States dollars in 2028. Tanger Outlets announces first Ulta Beauty store opening in Rehoboth Beach. Lingo Media engages Oak Hill Financial to provide business, capital markets and investor relations advisory services. New report from ZipRecruiter finds nearly 2 out of 3 job seekers prefer remote work. Aurum subsidiary Aravax reports positive preliminary Phase 1 data for its oral COVID-19 vaccine. Recon and EV Blocks Limited form partnership to meet growing North American demand for EV charging station foundations. Kentro's Logistar 400 all-electric commercial vehicle completes EPA tests. Golden Grail Technology, OTC, Gagi, announces second production run of Sketch Can by Tickle Water. Teva reaches agreement with Arkansas to settle the state's price-fixing claims. Musk. Tesla semi-truck coming in December, first deliveries to Pepsi. Nobel Peace Prize jointly awarded to Belarus rights activist, Russian and Ukrainian groups. The order to supply all mineral processing technologies for Shalkyazynsk's greenfield zinc lead concentrator in Kazakhstan becomes effective. GMT token builds data centers in Norway. For third time, Humana Tennessee Medicare Advantage HMO attains Medicare's highest rating for 2023. Art of the Workplace report commissioned by Brookfield Properties and the School of Life, latest. Research reveals positive impact arts and culture have on worker creativity, engagement and mental well-being. Tenet's new Chinese subsidiary to manage shipping and transportation platform. An innovative, targeted approach in cancer treatment. Orion announces closing of royalty repurchase. DraftKings stock surges on report of partnership with ESPN. More money in the bank for insiders who divested $389 million United States dollars worth of Danaher Corporation. NYSE. DHR. Shares last year. Philip Morris International Inc. NYSE. PM. Insiders sold $17 million United States dollars worth of stock, possibly signaling a downtrend. Businesses in Ukraine remain resilient and open for international clients, survey shows. FTX and Visa expand global partnership. American JetBlue bet on RDU Cancun. Here's how much the flight banks for airlines. Aurora Cannabis repurchases $23 million of convertible notes, backs adjusted EBITDA guidance. Taiwan tensions spark new round of U.S. wargaming on risk to TSMC. Humana Louisiana Medicare Advantage plan receives highest possible rating for 2 years in a row. Arbe selected by Veoneer, a leading active safety Tier 1, for its next-generation radar. TDSYNNEX's SNX Tech Data expands partnership with Cibex. One Comcast Corporation, Nasdaq, CMCSA, Insider reduced their stake by 83% in the previous year. Aurora Cannabis repurchases $23 million principal amount of convertible notes. Balance sheet among strongest in industry. BM Technologies, Inc. BMTX, soars 7.4%, is further upside left in the stock. Synopsys, SNPS, introduces code site plugin for IntelliJ. Exclusive ASA Abloy considers selling Yale MTech brands to win U.S. approval for Spectrum deal sources. General Dynamics, Grand, wins Virginia-class Navy submarine deal. 96% of Humana's Medicare Advantage members are in contracts rated 4-star or above for 2023. 66% are in contracts rated 4.5-star or higher. Lithium Americas confirms oral hearing schedule for the Thacker Pass record of decision appeal. Carlyle-backed Yes Bank now on stressed assets hunt. Credit Suisse short bets soar weeks ahead of strategy review. ESPN nears large new partnership with DraftKings. Credit Suisse offers to buy back $3 billion of its own debt. Waters marks 25 years in Ireland with €6 million clinical diagnostics R&D centre expansion in Wexford. A $568 million hack of Binance Coin Royal's crypto sector in New Norway inspects Europipe 2 subsea gas link to Germany. Biohaven Limited, BHVN, surges 7.6%. Is this an indication of further gains? Zealand Pharma completes registration of capital increase. Credit Suisse makes $2.98 billion debt repurchase offers. Roblox and Discord sued over girls' sexual, financial exploitation. Uber signs 10-year deal with Motional for driverless cars. Tesla aims to deliver first semi-trailer trucks in December to PepsiCo. Alnylam announces FDA approval of supplemental new drug application for OXLUMO. Lumasiran. In advanced primary hyperoxaluria type 1. Asia FX muted as dollar finds footing ahead of non-farm payrolls. Musk says Pepsi to receive Tesla's first semi-trucks in December. BioNTech and Australia's State of Victoria form strategic partnership to establish mRNA research centre and manufacturing facility. German COVID vaccine developer BioNTech signs research deal with Australia. Huntington National Bank leads nation for SBA 7(a) loan origination by volume. For fifth consecutive year. DraftKings stock jumps on report of partnership with ESPN. CI&T wins 2022 Acquia Engage Award for its work with UNICEF. Disney's ESPN nears large partnership deal with DraftKings, Bloomberg News. UK starts new round of licenses for North Sea oil and gas. BioMarin simplifies organizational structure to increase efficiency. Targa Resources set to join S&P 500. Lantheus Holdings to join S&P Mid-Cap 400. Payoneer Global to join S&P Small Cap 600. Chevron faces tough job restarting Venezuela's damaged oil fields. Google contractors allege they were fired for union ties. NEXA announces ESG commitments through 2030. Why Shopify, Etsy, and other e-commerce stocks were up big this week. Knight Therapeutics announces regulatory submission for tafasitamab in Brazil. SJW Group announces the California Public Utilities Commission's approval of San Jose Water's general rate case. Bearish news. Dow Jones Futures sell off on jobs report. AMD stock tumbles on revenue warning. Shein's price drop could prompt IPO recalculation. Euro falls. Eurozone bond yields rise after U.S. jobs data meets forecasts. Canada adds 21,000 jobs in tight market. Unemployment rate falls. Dow Jones Futures drops on jobs report. AMD stock tumbles on revenue warning. Stock market news live updates. Stock futures fall as Wall Street weighs jobs data. India's IT hub directs Uber, others to stop three-wheeler services. Nears Insights September retail same-store sales report. Dow Jones Futures rise ahead of key jobs report. AMD stock tumbles on revenue warning. Dow Jones Futures await jobs report. AMD warns, Elon Musk wins Twitter trial delay. Update 1 U.S. Auto Safety Agency closes probe into Goodyear tires. AMD revenue warning is dissected by Wall Street. It's not all bad news. AMBAC rallies after $1.84 BLNR MBS settlement with Bank of America. U.S. Auto Safety Agency closes probe into Goodyear tires. Tilray narrows net loss but misses analyst estimates. Elon Musk reveals delivery date for Tesla's next vehicle. Oil prices on track for big weekly gains after OPEC Plus production cuts. Bank of America to pay AMBAC $1.84 billion to settle crisis-era mortgage case. Stellantis to halt production at Melfi plant in Italy next week. Union. Biden team seethes over OPEC Plus cut that darkens election outlook. EU clash could slash gas prices. Oil prices set for biggest weekly increase since March following OPEC cut. Update 1 Taiwan sept exports drop for first time in 2 years, outlook poor. China EV stocks tumble amid concerns over slowing sector growth. Update 2 Norway inspects subsea gas pipeline after Nord Stream blasts. Oil target cuts free up capacity in case of crises, OPEC head says. Elon Musk says first Tesla semi-truck deliveries due for PepsiCo in December. UK households urged to reduce energy use to avoid winter power cuts. Japan's Sumitomo Mitsui hit with administrative order over rules breach. Twitter trial against Musk is halted to allow deal to close. Elon Musk's revived Twitter deal could saddle banks with big losses. Samsung profit sinks 32% as memory chip downturn worsens. CVS Health expects lower Medicare performance rating to impact 2024. Financing news. Credit Suisse reduces debt in display of financial strength. Private equity firm EIG pays $2.20 BLN for LNG projects in Australia. Twitter drifts away from Musk's offer as financing concerns loom. Replimune secures $200 million in non-dilutive debt financing from Hercules Capital, Inc. Semtech Corporation announces upsize and pricing of private offering of $300 million of new convertible senior notes. Intercontinental Hotels Group plc announces transaction in own shares, October 7. Earnings news. Allstate to discuss third quarter 2022 earnings with investors. Columbia Seligman Premium Technology Growth Fund announces fourth quarter distribution. 9.25% annual rate for IPO investors. WTW to announce third quarter earnings on October 27, 2022. Capital Southwest announces preliminary estimate of second quarter 2023 operating results and earnings release and conference call schedule. Max Holdings, Inc. to release third quarter results on November 3, 2022. C-Suites CV Secure, Inc. commences its annual U.S. Executive Search Firm Survey 2022. MaxLinear, Inc. announces conference call to review third quarter 2022 financial results. Mayors, city leaders convene to address systemic inequities and improve health. Marqeta to announce third quarter 2022 results on November 9, 2022. Nordic American Tankers Limited, NYSE, NAT, 2022 Annual General Meeting of Shareholders, AGM. Houlihan Lokey's, NYSE, HLI, 5-year earnings growth trails the 17% YoY shareholder returns. Installed Building Products, NYSE, IBP, jumps 9.9% this week, though earnings growth is still tracking behind 3-year shareholder returns. Ashford Trust declares preferred dividends for the fourth quarter of 2022. Celanese to hold third quarter earnings conference call on November 4, 2022. DigitalOcean third quarter 2022 earnings conference call. Janus Henderson to report third quarter 2022 results. Lakeland Bancorp announces date for third quarter earnings and conference call. Wells Fargo to announce third quarter 2022 earnings on October 14, 2022. Earnings are growing at Black Hills, NYSE, BKH, but shareholders still don't like its prospects. Byline Bancorp, Inc. to announce third quarter 2022 financial results on Thursday, October 27. Polestar reports global volumes for the third quarter of 2022 and confirms full-year outlook. Tilray Brands' first quarter fiscal year 2023 performance affirms global cannabis leadership. Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings, Inc. announces date for 2022 third quarter earnings release and conference call. CEVA, Inc. schedules third quarter 2022 earnings release and conference call. Plymouth Industrial REIT provides activity update for third quarter 2022. Wabtec announces third quarter 2022 earnings release date. Bristol-Myers Squibb announces change to earnings conference call dial-in information for third quarter 2022 results scheduled for October 26, 2022. AdvanSix provides update on third quarter turnaround and expected financial results. Brown & Brown, Inc. announces 2022 third quarter earnings release and conference call dates. Range announces conference call to discuss third quarter 2022 financial results. Stock market news live updates. Stock futures wobble as Wall Street awaits jobs data. AMD and Samsung signal more economic bloom. What it means for earnings season. Radiant to webcast third quarter conference call. Enerplus to report third quarter 2022 operating and financial results November 3, 2022. ChipMOS reports September 2022 and 3Q22 quarterly revenue. New Fortress Energy schedules third quarter 2022 earnings release and conference call. NIU Technologies provides third quarter 2022 sales volume update. Tech stocks set for more pain as AMD revives earnings fears. TD announces non-viability contingent capital AT1 limited recourse capital notes issue. Carvana to report third quarter and host quarterly conference call on November 3. Equity Lifestyle Properties, Inc. announces third quarter 2022 earnings release and conference call. Extra Space Storage Inc. announces date of earnings release and conference call to discuss third quarter 2022 results. SSR Mining to announce third quarter 2022 consolidated financial results on November 8, 2022. Links to articles are below. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.